I came to Kinnaur expecting to document culture. Instead, I witnessed something the modern world seems to be forgetting. There is a particular habit in Kinnaur. Before entering a village, people reach out their hand and turn a dungyur, the prayer wheel. They don't stop to think about it, certainly not to explain it, they simply do so. These mountains have witnessed centuries of different beliefs living side by side. Perhaps the lesson they offer the world is beautifully simple. We do not have to become the same to stand together. Sometimes all we have to do is to share the same path. Culture survives because people choose to carry it. In Kinnaur, tradition is not locked inside museums, it is worn with pride, passed from a grandmother to a granddaughter. Culture lives within the heart of its people, in the shawls woven with patient hands, in the silver worn with pride, in the celebrations enjoyed by one and all, in customs and rituals repeated so often that no one remembers who began them. We often imagine diversity as something fragile. Kinnaur taught me the opposite. Diversity is the strongest when it's rooted in respect, in a shared history, in belonging. The world talks a lot about tolerance. Kinnaur does not. It simply practices it every day, quietly, without any applause. Maybe that's why it works. Even their offerings come from the mountains themselves, be it apricots, apples, pears. The land feeds the people, and the people answer with gratitude. Perhaps that is why these valleys they feel less like places that people occupy and more like places that they belong to. We often speak about tolerance. It is a very careful word. It asks only that we endure one another, we tolerate one another. But Kinnaur asks for something greater, something beautiful. It does not ask of tolerance, it asks of participation, celebration, shared festivals, the shared rituals, shared mountains, and shared futures. Standing there, I kept wondering why this felt so rare. The world spends so much time asking people with different beliefs how they can live together. This valley never seemed interested in answering that question. It simply got on with living. Perhaps that is why I will always remember Kinnaur, not because it is untouched, certainly not because it's perfect, but because it reminded me that identity is not weakened by generosity. It's not weakened by acceptance, it is strengthened by it. The rivers do not lose themselves because they meet, they become something bigger, larger. Maybe people can too. Sometimes the oldest of places carry the newest of ideas. Nobody seemed interested in proving whose faith was right. They were too busy living together.
Tanyo so aranang bayo tedezalaya duyo
I could
bayo
not, for the life of me, understand the words that she was singing, but I understood why no one interrupted. Some songs are older than the people who sing them. They carry memory, they carry belonging, and they remind a village who it is. Before I came here, I thought I knew what coexistence looked like. I imagined clear lines, one religion here, another there, one story ending exactly where the other began. But mountains are not built like this. Neither, it seems, are the people who live among them.